A very good morning, children. I am Srinija, your math teacher from Shine India School. Okay. In the previous class, we discussed about the regrouping, addition with regrouping. Tens and hundreds. Today also we discuss about the regrouping tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay. There were 1560 trees in a jungle. But a cruel witch cut down 1250 trees. We have to cut down the trees 1250 trees. Now you have to write that number ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. 1000, okay, 560. 1 is in thousands place, 5 is in hundreds place, and 6 is in tens place, and 0 is in ones place. Now you have to write that 1560 trees are there. Now you have to cut down the trees 1250 trees. 1 is in thousands place, 2 is in hundreds place, and 5 is in tens place, and 0 is in ones place. Okay, now you have to subtract that two numbers. First you have to write down the two numbers in the column method, ones and tens, hundreds and thousands. Afterwards you have to start the subtraction. Whenever you start the subtraction in the ones place only, the addition or subtraction, whatever you have to do it, that one in the start with ones place only. In the ones place, two numbers are 0 and 0 only. 0 and 0. 0 minus 0, you get 0 only. If any number add with 0, you get that number. Okay, 0 minus 0 is 0 only. And the tens place numbers 6 and 5. In the hundreds place numbers 5 and 2. Thousands place numbers are 1 and 1. Okay, first you have to check out which number is bigger and which number is the smaller number. You have to check out that numbers. Afterwards you have to start the subtraction. Okay, 0 minus 0, you get 0. Afterwards tens place, you move to the tens place. Okay, both numbers are 4-digit numbers only. Okay, now we move to the 6 minus 5. You have to take 6 fingers and cut 5 fingers. 1 you get. In the hundreds place 5 and 2. 5 minus 2, take 5 fingers, cut 2 means you get 3 only. 1 minus 1, that is 0 only. Now the remaining trees are 310 trees. Now the remaining trees are 310 trees. Now we move to the next question. Okay, now here the number is 1100 and the next one is 815. You have to subtract that two numbers, 1100 and 815. The two numbers you have to subtract it. First you have to write the place value block, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. The numbers you have to write in the column method. Given the numbers you have to write in the column method. Afterwards only you have to start the subtraction. Okay, in the thousands place no number is there, only one number is in 4-digit number and another number is in 3-digit number only. The two numbers you have to write in column method. Afterwards you start the subtraction. Here no number is there. Okay, in the down only 3 digits means fourth digit column is empty column. If in the empty column you leave it, just you leave it or you write 0 also, no problem. Now first you start the ones place column only. Ones place column 0 minus 5. 0 never be subtract 5. Okay, 0 is the smallest number and 5 is the bigger number. Bigger number never be subtract to the small number. Okay, now you have to take the regrouping. Regrouping means take borrowing. Okay, now you take the borrowing to the tens place column. In the tens place column also no number is there, 0 only. Now you have to take the hundreds place column to take the borrowing to tens place and tens place to the ones place. Like that you have to take the borrowing. Okay, in the hundreds place you take the borrowing directly. You don't take directly to the ones, 100 to ones. Okay, if 0 is there you have to 10 tens is adding into the tens column. 10 tens is 100. Here 1 is there. Okay, 100. You have to take the borrowing to 10 tens to the tens place column. You can add 10. That is places. So 10 number is adding here. Now cross out that number and take the borrowing to the 10 here. If one number is less means in the hundreds place 0 is there. Okay. Wherever you have to take the borrowing, that number is reduce one number. Okay. In the hundreds column means 100 is reducing. 100 is reducing means in there 100 only there. So 100 reducing means 0. Now in the tens place column 10 10 is adding. Okay. Now you have to take the subtracting to the ones place column. Take the borrowing to ones place. Here 10 is reducing. One number reducing means 9 will come and 110 is adding to the ones place column. Okay. Here in the tens place 10 minus 1 equals to 9. One number is reducing means you can add in the ones place column 10. Now you have to start the subtraction. 10 minus 5. Take 10 fingers and cut 5 fingers. You get 5 only. In the tens place column, 9 and 1 is there. Okay, 9 and 1 is there. 9 minus 1. You get 8 only. You get 8 only. In the tens, hundreds place, only 0 is there. 0 minus 8 never be subtract. But you have to take the borrowing to the thousands place. That is adding to the tens, 10 hundreds. 10 is adding to the hundreds column. Here cross out the number means one number reducing is in the thousands place column 0 will be there. In the thousands place 0. Okay. In the hundreds place 10 minus 8. 10 minus 8. Take the 10 fingers and cut 8 fingers. 2. Now the answer is 285. Now the answer is 285. Now 5 is in ones place and 8 is in tens place. Now today's our aim is subtract 4-digit numbers with regrouping tens, hundreds and thousand using the column method. What do we do if we do not have enough 100 notes to buy a game? Okay, we can pay using a 1000 rupees note. Now, what were your answers? Now, here some sums are there now, children. The two sums now we have to do it. And the first one is 7125. And the next one is 3567. Children, don't touch the screen. Now you have to subtract the two numbers. What is the answer? The first one, 5 minus 7 is never be subtracted. You have to take the borrowing. One number is reducing here. 110 is adding. Okay, 10 plus 5, 15. 15 minus 7. 7 steps you have to take back. Okay, now here 7 steps means 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Okay, 7 steps backward means 8. And the next one is here 1 minus 6 is not there, never subtracted here. Take the borrowing means 11. 11 minus 6. Take 11, keep in your mind 11 and 6 steps back. Okay, 6 steps backward counting. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Now 5. And the next here, one number is taken to the tens place column means one number reducing means 0 is this. 0 minus 5 never be subtracted. You have to take the borrowing to the thousands place column. Now 10 hundreds is adding in the hundreds place. Now 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5. You get 5 only. In the thousands place column 6 and 3 is there. 6 and 3 is there. 6 minus 3. Take 6 fingers and cut 3 fingers. Okay. Now you get the answer 3. In these two numbers are given. This is the correct answer. 3558 is the correct answer. And the next sum is 6271. And the next one is 2384. Now you have to subtract the number. 1 minus 4 never be subtracted. Now take the borrowing here. 110 is adding 11. 11 minus 4. You have to take back to the 4 steps. Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7. Now 7 is there. Here one number is reducing means 6. 6 minus 8 never be subtracted. Now also you have to take the borrowing. 16. 16 minus 8. You have to take 8 steps backward. 8 steps backwarding. Now 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Here 1 minus 3 is not subtracting. Take the borrowing means 11 is there. 11 minus 3. Okay, 3 steps back. 10, 9, 8. Okay, now in the thousands place column 5 is there. 5 minus 2, 3. Now the answer is 3. Sorry children, here the 9 answer. 3987 is the answer. Okay. There were 724 in a village. 3,287 moved to the city. How many people are left in the village? How many people are left in the village? Now 8,000. Just wait children. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. Okay. Now now 8,724, 3,287. Now you have to subtract the number. 4 minus 7 is never be subtracted. Here take the borrowing means 10 is there and 1 reducing means 1 is there. 10 plus 4, 10 ones plus 4 ones. 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 minus 7. Now 14 minus 7. You have to keep in your mind 14 and 7 steps backward. 7 steps backward. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Here the answer is 7. Here take the borrowing. One number is reducing 6. 11 is adding. Now 11 minus 8. Okay. You have to take 8 steps backwarding. 8 steps backwarding. Now 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Now 6 minus 2. Take 6 fingers and cut 2 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in the thousands place column 8 and 3 is there. 8 minus 3. 5. Now the answer is 5,437. We need to subtract people moved to the city from total people lived in village 8,724 and 3,287 to get the answer 5,437. So 5,437 people are left in the village. Children, are you following? Now I will give one more sum to you. Now you have to do that sum, children. 4,527, 2,319. You have to subtract these two numbers. Which number you get it back? Okay. Now you do the Now 4527 minus 2319. Now you have to subtract the ones place. 7 minus 9. 9 is not subtracted. Take the borrowing. 11. 10 plus 7. 17. 17 minus 9. Take 17 in your mind and 9 fingers. Move backward. Okay. You get 7 or 8 only. Now in this tens place column 1 and 1 is there. 1 minus 1 0. 5 minus 3 2. 4 minus 2 2. 2208. Okay. Now subtracting with regrouping tens, hundreds, thousands is completed. Thousands is completed, and I will send the worksheet. You have to complete the worksheet. Okay children, bye.